Back at the line, Steve Chrisman and Doug Kalitta. And sounds of the strip. Doug Kalitta just steadily pulls away a 403, 303-mile-an-hour pass as Doug Kalitta advances and Steve Chrisman steps out.
Doug Kalitta really struggled in qualifying. Even though he's your number 3 qualifier, he only got down the racetrack one time. So they wanted to make sure they got down the track because they definitely, as I said, struggled. A 403 at 304 miles per hour was good enough to get him into the second round.